Altro adhesive-free floor can be laid over a variety of surfaces without the need to fully adhere the material to the subfloor, and is laid with the aid of a specifically formulated Altro loose-lay double-sided adhesive tape. This tape is supplied with each roll of Altro adhesive-free floors. Apply the tape around the perimeter of the installation. In this case, we are flat laying the floor, but should coving be used, the tape should be used here also. Bring the floor in and reverse roll out the first sheet. Measure the area to the wall to ensure the first sheet is laid straight to the wall. Push the floor into the corner and trim away any excess floor. Peel back the tape and release the floor. Repeat the process on the other side. All joints should be overlapped by approximately 20 mm and cut in to form a tight joint. Bring in the next sheet of floor and repeat the process of cutting away any excess floor around the edges. Score the overlap main seam join and cut away any excess material. Peel off the edge of the tape around the edges. Fold back one side of the join, place a pencil line along the edge of the floor where the joint is to be made, and place the tape evenly positioned either side of the pencil line. Peel back the edge and release the floor. Before welding the main seam, groove the main joint using a U-shape or bar groover or an automatic grooving machine fitted with a diamond tip blade. Place the straight edge alongside the joint and groove approximately 3/4 of the depth of the floor. It's always best to carry out a test weld on a spare piece of safety floor to make sure your temperature setting is suitable for the product and conditions. Set the temperature of the welding gun slightly higher than when welding the miters. The speed at which you should travel should be at between 2 to 3 meters per minute in order to obtain the correct fusion of the rod to the floor covering. Leave the rod to cool before cutting and trimming with the sledge and spatula.